Alright guys, today is Thursday, May 23rd, and I'm going to go ahead and do my routine that I usually do to find trade setups. And today we're looking on USD CAD. The first thing I want to do to take a trade is I want to identify the trend in order for us to make money. And so what I do is I zoom all the way out, and the reason I zoom all the way out is to show us significant highs and lows. So if we zoom all the way out, we can see that the significant highs and lows that resemble that uptrend that you're looking at would be this low, this high, then we have a another low there, and we have a previous high here. And so in total we have 4 pieces of structure with a new high being broken. And so if you noticed, if we're buying up and we're buying a trading pair, if we're buying, the thing that we want to do is buy low, because if we're buying, we always want to buy low because the lows are where the most movement happen. And so if we're trading with smart money, we need to make sure we're trading at a discount, because if we wait and buy now, because price is already at the top, if we buy now, price is just going to come back down before going back up. So now that I know that I'm buying, I want to actually wait for price to come back and tap into this order block here or this gap. So for me, I only trade with what are called gaps and order blocks. Order blocks are where there are large sums of money injected into the market by the banks and institutions. And these order blocks, when they enter the market, they are areas that are blocks filled with large amounts of orders, hence why they are called order blocks. And so right now, I'm currently waiting for, here are the options that I have. So one tool that I like to use for my trading to take trades is I like to use the GAN box tool. And I like to start from the low and current high of price and drag it along there accordingly. And then if I'm buying, I want to be buying under the middle green line. And if I'm selling, I want to be selling above the green line. So this tool basically divides our current price range in halves, because if you're smart money, you're buying always at cheaper prices. And so we want to be buying on the shaded side of the range, okay? So the shaded side of the range would be here. The range itself would be this high and that low that we had here, okay? So the shaded part that you're looking at on the screen is the area that we want to be looking for buy trades. And so if you look at the bottom of the screen where the red and green volume is, the volume simply shows us who's in the market, okay? So as you notice, if you look at the volume, we can see an acceleration of the green demand here. Starting from this point on, we have demand just getting larger and larger, showing us who's in the market, which is smart money. So the volume is the best indicator because it can be used to back up your bias of your trading bias of the trend. Because if the green, right, if the green is in the market and then the green is the highest volume, that means the buyers are in the market. And this is most recent, okay? And so we're going to be looking to buy. And yeah, it's really that simple. What you can do is I will mark, sometimes price will come to, instead of coming all the way down this gray box area, price will come to the middle green line instead and balance out price. So what I mean is, like, instead of it coming all the way down here, price will come to this area. So yeah, it's really that simple. The first step is identifying your trend / market structure, and the second step is looking for your area of interest. Like down here, like I said before, I only trade order blocks and gaps. If I was trading this order block right here that I'm pointing the gray arrow to, this order block right there, I would be trading it where it hit here earlier. I would have traded it like this. Stop loss at the end of the block itself, when this is a bullish order block. A bullish order block has the white candle or the green candle engulfing the red candle or black candle like you see here. The bearish candle is the opposite. So if I'm trading the bullish order block, I'm going to be entering there, and then my target would be the next high there. And that's how I would have traded there. You see the entry? And so yeah, guys, I only trade these areas and I trade gaps. It's really that simple. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys got value out of this video. you can feel free to connect with me on Instagram. I have an ebook of my visual examples of my trade setup, similar to what you see right here with the order block and other examples. So you can literally see how your trade setup should look when you're trading and learning my approach to the market. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys found value out of this video. And yeah, leave a comment, like, message me, connect with me. Yeah.